First little creek bass. We're using mini buzz baits. He hit it pretty good. Small, good size. Oh yeah, that was a little bad. Good for the footage. Get a look at his belly. Nice little sized fish. That's probably a pound and a half. Oh yeah. All right, had a pretty good evening. Caught about 4, and then she hooked a big old grinnell. We're gonna try to come back another day, try to get it, but hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for watching. So what I'm fishing here is I'm fishing it's a Strike King mini buzz bait. Really good for these top water. It was working really well yesterday. We came a little later in the evening though, and it's pretty early. It's about 5, and I just don't think they're really quite ready to bite just yet, but we're gonna keep giving it a try. If it's not working, we might come back a little later and see. We didn't have any luck going on this time around, but we're gonna come back a little later in the afternoon, probably 7:30, something like that, and we'll see how we can do. But I'll catch you back in a second. All right, guys, so we're back. It's trying to rain a little bit, but it's not really too bad, so we should be okay. Again, I'm fishing that Strike King buzz bait. Hopefully we'll get some better luck this time around. Actually, before the camera came on, I have a little whopper plopper rod over there, and I actually caught one, but like I said, it was before the camera came on. All right, we're about to move locations. We're actually underneath the bridge right now, and we're going to move to the other side of the bridge. There's a couple more spots to fish. We'll see if we can't get anything in there. So we'll be right back.
They don't want to see us bust our ass.
Okay, so unfortunately, we looked on the other side. There really wasn't that much. It looks pretty good. There's like a little canal going over there, but not a lot of spots to fish. Okay, so we're back over here. I'm gonna change up. I'm fishing a Ozark Trail whopper plopper prop bait. It's caught a pretty good bit of fish. This is actually, I caught the one off camera with, and so we're gonna give it a little more try and see what happens with it. All right, so unfortunately, we weren't able to pull anything out of that little creek. We'll probably come back some other time. We had a really good day yesterday, and then like I said, I caught just the one off the whopper flopper, but it wasn't recording. So we'll catch you back next time. Hopefully we'll do a lot better there. See you guys later.